Want to land a high-paying data analytics job with a Google-backed certification? Google's data analytics courses are designed to take you from beginner to job-ready professional, equipping you with in-demand skills that employers are actively searching for. Welcome to Business Training Media's Technology Series. In today's video, we're diving into the top Google data analytics courses and certificates to help you advance your career. Whether you're looking to break into the field or sharpen your skills, these courses offer industry-recognized credentials, hands-on experience, and a competitive edge in the job market. Stay tuned to the end to learn how to enroll and take the next step in your data analytics journey. Up first, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. This is one of the most popular programs designed by Google to help beginners master data analytics. You'll learn key skills, including SQL, data visualization, and statistical analysis, while working with real-world data sets. Google's certification gives you access to exclusive job opportunities with top companies looking for certified professionals. With salaries for entry-level data analysts averaging $65,000 per year and growing demand in the industry, this certificate is a smart investment in your future. Up next, Google Advanced Data Analytics Professional Certificate. For those looking to go beyond the basics, this advanced certificate focuses on machine learning, predictive modeling, and Python programming for data analytics. You'll gain experience with powerful tools like Jupyter Notebooks and BigQuery, preparing you for high-paying roles in data science and analytics. Professionals with advanced analytics skills can earn over $100,000 annually, making this an excellent option for career growth. Next, Google Business Intelligence Professional Certificate. If you're interested in turning raw data into actionable business insights that drive strategic decision-making and improve performance, this course is for you. You'll develop expertise in data storytelling, dashboard creation, and business strategy, using tools like Looker and Tableau. Business intelligence professionals play a key role in helping organizations make data-driven decisions, and salaries can range from $75,000 to $120,000 per year, depending on experience and industry. Up next, Google Data Analytics Capstone. This course is designed to put your skills to the test with a real-world data project. You'll apply everything you've learned to solve a business problem, build a portfolio-ready project, and showcase your expertise to potential employers. Completing this capstone proves your ability to analyze, interpret, and visualize complex data sets, giving you a competitive advantage in the job market. These Google Data Analytics courses offer industry-recognized credentials, hands-on training, and access to exclusive job networks. Whether you're just starting or looking to advance, now is the time to invest in your future. We've included a link in the description to learn more and enroll today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. For more online courses and free resources, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your data analytics journey.